if you're feeding your prompt to a hosted LLM, whatever you're including in that prompt typically becomes part of the training material for the prompt. So how to deal with that? You can use a locally hosted, a non-prem LLM. That was the Samsung lesson that came out a few years back, where Samsung discovered that all of the information that they were sharing with, I believe it was ChatGPT, it might have been a different LLM, was suddenly becoming part of the training data and cropping up in other people's queries. So you can do, and what they did is they brought their database, their LLM in-house. Llama, which is Meta's LLM offering, you can run some of the larger models locally if you have the hardware for it. The other thing that's starting to crop up, Anthropic, I think, was the first people to do it, but you also see it with Microsoft's cloud offering, is they will host it for you in an isolated instance where you can say, we're still calling a cloud resource, so you're not bringing in these monster GPUs and servers, but your information is contractually isolated to only the instance that they're holding for you, and will not be shared with other customers and will not become part of the general training set. So if you have the facility and you're happy with the results for an on-prem LLM, I would recommend doing that, because there's no way it's getting out then. You can certainly put tools to make sure your LLM isn't sneakily communicating to the outside world, like Glasswire or that type of thing. Or look at some of these hosted solutions that are dedicated to you. They're not cheap, but they are out there. They are becoming more available as things move forward, because it's a pretty common use case where people want to have LLMs, want to use an LLM, but don't want to share anything that they're doing with the outside world.